Hey everybody, this is Brian with Seafoam Official. In this video we're going to cover deep creep and guns. And the question is deep creep the best light gun oil you can buy? And my answer to that question is yes. And there's 4 reasons why. One is that it penetrates or creeps deeper than any other oil. Second is that it resists extreme heat. Third is it resists evaporation, it doesn't go away. And fourth is that it's not corrosive. It won't cause any harm to any gun part or component. Now, I'm going to use this steel target here to show you what I mean by how it penetrates or creeps deeper. So watch how deep creep actually pushes the other oil away, and at the same time it expands in this outer ring. The term for that is called breaking surface tension. We've never seen another oil break surface tension or crawl along metal like deep creep does, and we've never seen another oil beat it in a push test. So obviously a push test is real easy to do. Go ahead and compare deep creep against your favorite gun oil. Now we're going to use this steel plate. We're going to show you how deep creep handles extreme heat. So now I'm going to use this flame torch on the steel target. We'll get that surface real hot. Now we're going to spray deep creep on, see what happens. So not only is it still there and is it breaking surface tension across the plate, I can actually touch it. It's cool to the touch. So not only does deep creep handle extreme heat, it also resists evaporation extremely well. When we store guns for long periods of time, we need to protect bores, metal surfaces, anything that needs protection, it needs to last. A lot of gun oils evaporate in a matter of days or weeks or even months, and deep creep just doesn't go away. So it's one more thing you're going to discover about how much better deep creep works. Now the last thing we're going to cover is that deep creep is harmless on gun parts. Let me show you what I mean by that. So here we have examples of different gun materials. Here we have a fiberglass stock. This is a graphite stock. Of course there's resins that go into it. This is a wood stock. AR's made from aluminum alloy. Of course the barrels are all steel. This is steel. Chromoly steel, painted steel, stainless steel. But no matter what, these barrels, these metal surfaces, they need oil protection and lubrication, and deep creep will not harm any of these surfaces. So much like how these rifles have synthetic stocks, this pistol has a plastic frame. The slide is steel, the barrel's steel, but this whole area, the trigger guard, everything, the handle, grip, is plastic. And I think a lot of people would be surprised to learn that some of the most popular gun oils, just oils in general that people use, are mildly corrosive over time. They will wear away at these plastic parts, and I don't think anybody wants that. If you ever want to test that, all you need is a styrofoam cup, and like in this case with deep creep, so just spray or pour a little bit into a styrofoam cup. Now understand that styrofoam is a basic form of plastic, and just put it on a shelf somewhere. It's either going to do one or 4 things. It's either going to eat through the cup, or it's going to melt through the cup, or after a day or 2 or 3 or a week, it's going to seep through the cup. But with deep creep, it's not going to do anything because it's harmless. Now, there you have it. That's it. We covered that deep creep creeps deeper than any penetrant. It withstands extreme heat. It will not evaporate. You got to try this stuff. It won't evaporate from your guns during long periods of storage, and it's harmless. You can ask for deep creep wherever automotive products or hardware is sold. This is Brian with Seafoam Official. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.